Okay, solving inequalities. And let's put tomorrow's date on this. Today's date on it. 9/5/17. Okay, here's the idea behind solving an inequality. If x minus 2 winds up to be negative, then it is a solution because absolute value is going to turn it positive. It's a solution as well as x minus 2 being positive. So the way we undo absolute value in solving equations is we drop the absolute value and write two equivalent statements. X minus 2 equals 7 and x minus 2 equals negative 7. We're going to solve these two equations. We will get x equals 9 and x equals negative 5. Now, you're not required to check these in this course, but just so this makes sense to you, let's do our checks. So x equals 9. Let's set both of these. So x equals 9. We get 9, absolute value of 9 minus 2, absolute value of 7 equals 7, and take the absolute value of positive 7, we still get positive 7, and it checks. Second solution is a negative 5. Put negative 5, negative 2 together, we'll get a negative 7. Apply absolute value, we'll get a positive 7. So both of these solutions work because of the way absolute value works. All right, continuing on, really same idea. We're going to set this up in two equations. We've got some fraction work. So let's drop the inequality, and we get 3s plus 4/3 equals 9, and we also get 3s plus 4/3 equals negative 9. And the first one's a mess. Some fraction work to do. All right, 9 in thirds. 3 times 9 is 27. So we'll get 3s equals 27 thirds minus 4 thirds. And 3s equals negative 27 thirds minus 4 thirds. Putting those together, didn't give myself enough room. Yeah. 3s equals 23/3. 3s equals negative 31/3. And then I'm going to use reciprocal because of the fractions. Two solutions. It looks like s is equal to 23/9 and s is equal to negative 31/9. All right, here's our first inequality to solve. And kind of the same idea. We're going to split this up into two equivalent inequalities. 3s plus 2 is greater than or equal to 6. Or 3s plus 2 is going to be less than or equal to negative 6. So when you change the sign to a negative, also switch the directions of the direction of the inequality with the negative on the other side. All right, so this will solve as, I'm just going to go through our solving steps. The only thing we've got to keep in mind with an inequality is if we're multiplying or dividing by a negative, we need to switch the sign. Okay, it looks like S is greater than or equal to 4/3, or S is less than or equal to -8/3. This is one place where those mixed numbers actually come in handy, since this is 1 1/3. We are going to go to 1, halfway between. It does include it. So there's one part of our solution, and less than or equal to -8/3. 3 goes into 8 twice with 2 left over, so -2 2/3. And we are done. All right, I will see you on the next video.